Are you on the hunt for a sedan with reliability and stylish looks that won't break the bank? Then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Chrysler 300S in ocean blue. With adaptive BI-XENON HID headlamps, adaptive cruise control with stop, 20-inch aluminum wheels, exterior mirrors with turn signals, rear body color spoiler, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 11,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, sport mode, heated second row seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5725.